Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete all contact on your iPhone at once. So simply this method will work any iPhone. First open your contact apps. So when I'm select on, not showing it to select all option, just select contact. So this is a one by one process. If you want to select all at once, my all contact, not showing it to select all option. So select all contact and using two finger, just drag and move your finger under, then select all contact. Okay, and long press, then you get selected all contact. Just press on delete, then successfully delete all contact at once.